It is a rainy day at the farm today, and Gina's not happy. The donkeys are not great fans of water. But we need the rain. It's been kind of dry. What's going on, Gina Bina? You saying hi, Uncle Yash? Oh, hi, Uncle Yash. Hello, Rosie.